Wait, I don't
In
understand.
1969, around 1969, at Northridge College in the San Fernando Valley, which was then Valley State College, I was in my 5th year of college, and I proposed a thesis to the college to get in the graduate program. What I wanted to specialize in was the sociology of disaster warning. Okay, well they said, I told them that supernova was going to arrive in the late 80s, on February 23rd, 1987, I said it would show up. I showed them which star. Angelique 1987A is now known. A supernova that occurred in the Magellanic Cloud some 174,000 light years from Earth. Well, at that time, the college didn't believe me, and...
Tell us how you knew that the supernova was coming.
Well, it's because I was in the Magellanic Clouds when the supernova occurred. I woke up in a space station with an emergency light flashing. Okay, it said that a supernova was about to take place within a half an hour standard time, right there in the Magellanic Clouds. The star's name was Angelique, named after Nicholas Angelique, the guy who discovered the star on Earth. So there was a mass exodus from the Magellanic Clouds to get away from the supernova. I told them that in the pictures of the supernova that would arrive in '87, I said there would be a mystery spot in the photographs. Now the scientists on Earth look at that mystery spot, and they haven't found out my story, but they said they don't know what caused the mystery spot. Well, actually, it was an atom bomb that was launched in front of the space vehicle in the Magellanic Clouds when that occurred, and the computers aboard the spacecraft that I was on launched the atom bomb and blew a hole in intergalactic space, hence the first mission in the window. They were like James Bond missions. The first mission was in the window. There was a particling we will go, mushrooms for none, formulas for none, child without a formula, formula without a child, -0 and counting, a ring without a diamond, 10 miles high, a horn of silence, the sun that could not set, on His Majesty's Secret Service, and the gift of golden dust. Okay, well, you know, I kept on explaining to the authorities over and over that the fallout of the supernova could have caused this star to nova if I didn't do the little-known mission -0 and counting, which was really where uranium was used to down 3 Mile Island before it overreacted from the fallout of the supernova. At that time, unseen. And so, mental health, of course, incarcerated me any number of times for me working on this project. But God saw fit that I carry out the project because the world was really in danger from the fallout of Angelique. Okay, well, in 1987, when it showed up, 5 years afterwards, I reported it to the fire department in Ventura County. I told the fire department they were going to have the worst floods in human history in the Mississippi, Ohio, and Texas valleys. How I knew it was there because the geographer on campus at Valley State at that time, Jason, told me where the flash floods would be if the supernova arrived. Okay, when it arrived, all I did was compile my thesis that I wrote in college. I rewrote it and compiled the scientific data from the supernova and took it to the fire department and told them right where they were going to have the worst flooding. So it saved lives, you know, that's what's come out of the whole thing. So all in all, you know, I feel good about what I did in college, getting an education and trying to apply it to society. Because I'm a freelance sociologist and I'm interested in the sociology of disaster warning. Now, what do you want to interview me about?